Hi, I'm Guntis from Mighty Fingers, and today I will show you how to export mobile game from MightyEditor and publish it to Google Play Store. Basically here you see a game, Rocky Smasher, which is very similar to Timberman game, which was popular last year. Basically you have to cut a tree and avoid branches. Let's go back and then talk about export. So you can export Android in two ways: Crosswalk or Cordova. The difference between two is Cordova is using default web view, which has Android, and Crosswalk is using always Chromium, which is better, of course. But on the negative side, Crosswalk adds some 15-18 megabytes of size for application, which is quite much. So you have to consider between those two which to have. And before we are going to export up, I'll want to show you a source editor and two things that you need to look at. Config XML and manifest JSON. Basically, config XML is for Cordova apps and manifest JSON is for Crosswalk. And there are different parameters which you need to fill in. Like if you need a full screen, then there's a line of code for full screen, for orientation, and etc. You can find this either or Cordova or Crosswalk documentation. And even if you don't have these files and you're exporting, then MightyEditor will generate a default very minimal config XML, and your app will be ready anyways. Okay, let's go back to export, select Android, and for this I will choose Cordova and release version. Basically the bug version you can install on your phone, and release is going to Play Store. Okay, and now export is starting and APK is building on the server. So let's go and look at Google Play Store and create a new application for that. We'll call it Rocky Smasher, and we'll upload APK. Yep, server has built APK and we can download it right now. So we downloaded it, we can upload in Google Play Store. So Rocky APK, it's only 3 megabytes. It's uploading complete, and some processing works, and it's done. APK is uploaded, and you see on the left side there's a checklist what you need to do in order to publish your app. So first one is already green. Let's go to a next store listing. Here you have to put some description. As for this app, I'll just add some default text. And important thing, also a bit down, you have to add some images to look attractive for player. The minimum is 2 images for phone, and high-res icon, and then featured graphic. I will add only minimum, but of course for your game you'll need add all of this to look more attractive. Okay, application type is game, and it's arcade game. About content, everyone can see it. My email, phone I don't need, and there's no legal stuff, no privacy policy for this time. Okay, and I will save it as a draft, and you see some second green check. And go a bit down, there is a content rating. Basically you have to fill some questionnaire regarding your game. Okay, at first there's email section, and then starts questionnaire about you have some violent material in your game, no sexuality, no some fancy language, no drugs. Also, there's no exchange with other users, no personal information for third parties, and the rest also goes for no. So save a questionnaire, should be okay, and calculate my rating. And it looks everything good, and apply this rating. Okay, it's fine. And as the last thing, let's go to pricing and distribution. Easiest part is free application. For paid, you need to have some merchant account, which I won't do this time. I will select all countries. No Android Wear, no Android TV. I'll check only about content guidelines and US export laws, which I've read, and save it as draft. And you see 3 green checks are here, and publish app button just opened, so you can publish it right now, and I'm doing it. And yes, it was so easy. Basically, Google Play, it will take some 1 to 2 hours from my experience, and will approve this app, and later on I will show on mobile device how does it look. And as you see, it was super easy. Just export it, fill some input fields and some pictures, click submit, and everything works very easy, very convenient for beginner, developer, starter. Hi, I'm back, and here you see old Samsung phone with Android 2.3. And let's open Play Store and look for a Rocky Smasher game. I think it should be uploaded. I think I approved it already. And yes, you see that it's available in Play Store. Let's install it. I don't know exactly how much time did it took, but I think it was something between 1 to 2 hours. So it's pretty fast from Google to get your app available in publicly in the store. So okay, you see that app is downloading, and here's an icon and featured image which we have uploaded already before in Play Store. Okay, looks like everything installed, and let's open it. And it would be interesting to see. Okay, so you see a game in full screen, and by tapping it works pretty smooth. Okay, actually there's only several sprites driving and nothing very complicated, but the main idea was to show how fast you can build a game, export it, and publish to Play Store. Really cool. Thanks for